got few questions from the students. They want to know how to increase the speed in their playing, especially in Alankar playing. Today I will demonstrate how to increase the speed, and also when we are playing something a tan or an Alankar, how it will be distinct. The distinctness comes with the use of the tongue. So I will demonstrate how to use tongue, where to use tongue, and how to calculate the cycle of 4 and 8. Always I emphasize on calculating this 4 and 8. So we will understand the later part when we will grow in our musical journey. Today I will take a very simple Alankar. Always I discuss this. Sa re ga ma pa dha ma pa dha ni sa. From lower pancham to higher pancham and higher pancham to lower pancham. So let us say this Alankar. So this is the speed. I think this is 120 single speed. We'll go to the double speed. This is the double speed. Next speed, fourth speed, it comes the practice of speed. I'll demonstrate. Must be well versed with this. I'm sure you must be practicing at this speed also. Now see, by using the tongue at 4/4, using the tongue on after 8 beats and without using the tongue, how the same Alankar, same thing, how the sound production is changing. We must pay attention to this. So without using tongue. Now I will use tongue at every 4/4/4/4. Like from pa dha ni sa, there will be a tongue in pa. Dha ni sa re, tongue in dha. Ni sa re ga, tongue, stress will come in ni. So at every phrase on the first swara, there will be uses of tongue. This is the uses of tongue. Now, at the beginning, it might be difficult. So don't go to this speed when you are using tongue. Go to the previous speed and try using the tongue. Like at this speed it is possible. Once you are well versed, then go to the second speed. Now I use the tongue at every 8 beats. So pa dha ni sa dha ni sa re, the tongue on pa. Ni sa re ga sa re ga ma, the tongue on ni. So I will skip the tonguing on dha. Then re ga ma pa, the tongue on re. Like this, after 8/8 I'll use my tongue. Did you understand that how the sound production itself is changing? So we are playing the same thing, but these are called modulations. And through these kinds of modulation, using the tongue, where to use, how to use, without tonguing. So we change the aesthetics and beauty of the sound of the alankar. And all these things are used in raga improvisation. How to use the tongue? What are the alankaras? In the techniques module, I have very specifically spoken about the uses of tongue. How to use the tongue, how to practice the tongue, how the different facets of jhala practice, like there is a constant uses of tongue. There is a pattern I am using my tongue. How to use those tongues? I very specifically emphasized on the Bansuri technique module in the Mystic Bamboo. Also, we need to get well versed with the alankaras. In the very beginning, I think it is the beginners module 2, I have given a list of 13 or 14 alankaras. I request all of you must get used to all those 13 alankaras, and subsequently in other modules the advanced alankaras I have introduced, then introduction of ragas. Slowly, step by step I have introduced everything. I am sure the Mystic Bamboo courses are helping you, and I am looking forward to get in touch with you very soon. Hari Om.